Hey everybody, CR Media Gal here. Welcome back to my channel. Believe it or not, it has been about 2 years, I think, or coming up on 2 years since I've done this on my channel, and that is doing a major decluttering. However, this go around, this is a bit of organization and decluttering and not just my wardrobe. So if you like organization and decluttering videos, then feel free to carry on watching. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Andrea, also known as CR Media Gal in the fandom and fanfiction world. I do a lot of different content on my channel, including lifestyle, decluttering, cleaning, organization. So if that kind of content interests you at all, please be sure to click the subscribe button down below. Also, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoy it, I'd really appreciate it. It supports my teeny tiny little channel here in the YouTube universe. But I'm not going to waste too much time blabbering. Let's get right into about a week ago when I started this whole process. So it's been about, it's either coming up on 2 years or it's already been 2 years, which is hard to believe. Since I last did a decluttering of my closet, I did it in 2 parts. If you'd like to go back and watch those videos, I will put links up here somewhere. I was pretty ruthless at the time with the things that I decided to get rid of. I did have some nicer pieces that I decided to sell through a local consignment shop, and unfortunately, due to the consignment shop I'd like to work with has since closed. Also because of I am working significantly more from home, which I actually prefer. It's worked out very, very well. But as a result, I'm not wearing my clothes nearly as much. And I have a lot of great pieces that just are not getting used. You know, a lot of places are still not open, or some of my friends are very leery about going out. So I'm not going out nearly as often. Not that I was going out quite a bit to begin with. I'm highly introverted. Anyway, I am going out even less. So now I'm gonna have to get more creative because it's time for me to do another major decluttering, but not just in my closet. I also have a series of drawers over here that I need to really go through and get rid of stuff. I'm more than likely going to put my nicer pieces of clothing either on Poshmark or maybe even eBay or even Depop, or all three. We'll figure it out. I'm going to leave my link down below. So if you're interested in shopping my closet after seeing some of the items that I go through here, by all means, let me know. So I'm going to take you over into the spare bedroom first, because before, you know, the Voldemort virus hit us, I put a whole bunch of fall stuff aside that I was planning to take to my local consignment. And of course now, with everything that's happened with I can't do that, unfortunately. So a lot of this stuff is nicer stuff that it will definitely be getting sold. So let's go over to the other closet so I can show you what stuff I'm going to be putting up for sale. Where to put you? All right, that will have to do. I notice I even have some summer pieces in here. This is actually, I think I did this in my collective thrift haul from, was it last year? I ended up wanting to sell this to consignment because I have not worn them. They're very comfy and very stretchy. They're from Torrid. They're in this beautiful green color. I'm not a shorts person, so I don't know why. Last year I went on kind of a buying thrifting shorts kick. It was silly. I gave it a try, but it just didn't work out. Thrifted this, I believe from ThredUp. It's Jennifer Lopez, and it's this beautiful black romper, some gold button detailing. Really, really cute. Way too tight on me. I required another person's help to get out of this. It's a size 16, but I would say it's closer to a size 14 actually. I think it runs small. So I will make sure to note that when I put it up for sale. You might remember if you watched my thrift haul, I thrifted 2 of these Madewell sweatshirts in this beautiful velvet material. But again, fall and winter came and went last year and I never wore these. They're really cute and they're actually kind of stretchy. I have one in navy that I wear quite often, but it's open in the front and it just has a tie detailing around the neck. And I prefer that better. Most of the stuff that will be going up for sale will be in my size, but if you're a smaller size, I might have some stuff going up that you might be able to wear as well. Like this is a medium. These are from ModCloth, worn them maybe twice. Super cute. I think I actually showed them in a previous haul. Those are going up for sale. These really cool Torrid spring and summer shoes that I've never worn, so I still have the packaging for them. They're just way too high for me to wear, so I can't wear them. Some purses, some more winter stuff, cute coat that I've only been able to wear once because it's just too small for me. I used to wear this quite a bit. I love this. I just haven't gravitated towards it the past year though. This is Taylor B. Moss. What size are you? A large. That's just over on this side of the house. And now we're gonna go through my closet and take care of that stuff.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I've finished going through that other closet and taking tons of pictures of not even all of the clothes that I have in that closet. So I still got more of that to do, but that in itself took forever. So I have pretty much lost steam to even start on my closet. So I think I'm gonna come back to you guys another day and we will start on my closet next. Ooh, this is not flattering at all. When is it ever? So it's a couple days later. I took some time to go through all the photos that I took previously in the other closet and went through majority of the stuff to sell on my Poshmark. I've decided I'm pretty much gonna put everything on Poshmark and posted what I could there to sell. Sorry that I'm looking a hot mess, but if you are a subscriber already, you know that I tend to look like this a lot on my channel. Plus today, I went to get my flu shot this morning and it literally just hit me, of course, as I pull out my phone to film. I'm not feeling so hot. I think I might have a low-grade fever. Also, I took 2 24-hour Sudafeds by accident.
This is fine.
So, feeling a little funky.
According to Google, I should be okay.
So I'm not looking my best. I probably don't sound my best either, but I'm gonna power through and try to get through going through my closet at least today. Yeah, we'll see how far we get. Sorry about the lighting too. It's horrible in here, but if I turn the lights off, I won't be able to see anything. So I think I'm gonna start with all of my winter stuff here and kind of work my way back towards the summer stuff. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of a whole lot because I do wear a lot of this stuff, but there are a couple like new pieces in here that I just in the past year haven't gravitated towards, so I really should just be ruthless with this and get rid of it. So yeah, let's get started. Bought it from Shein. Gonna sell it on Poshmark dirt cheap because I mean it's Shein. It's in this beautiful caramel color, but like I just didn't reach for this over the past winter, so there's no sense in keeping it. Oh shoot. I don't know if I should get rid of this bomber jacket or not. This is from Charlotte Russe. It's beautiful burgundy color with like gold detailing on it. I've worn it a handful of times. Oh, this might be harder than I thought. I'm gonna come back to this one. I just got this a couple months ago. It's thrifted, Lane Bryant, size 14. It's this really cool, it's not mesh, like knitted blouse that I wore for my thrifted lookbook. But I just don't see myself wearing this very much. I don't know why I bought it in the first place. I think I was so excited to see something of quality from Lane Bryant that I just snagged it up. Plus it's so different, but I just, I ought to get rid of it. All right, got several more here to get rid of. I'm already losing energy. Hey everyone. So it's several days later. I've been actually quite busy taking some really good photographs and putting a ton of stuff up on my Poshmark. I've already sold some stuff, so that's very exciting. But I randomly decided today to do a bit more decluttering. I haven't done these drawers over here yet. Please ignore my mess. And I'm sorry if I'm making any of you dizzy. I would like to go through these drawers right here. Random, but it's not clothing. I have a ton of DVDs in here. I used to spend the majority of my money on not clothing, but movies. I've gotten rid of a ton of them at past garage sales, but I kept ones I love the most in here. And then my newer DVDs and Blu-rays, which just goes to show how long I've been collecting DVDs, because all the ones that are in here, I believe, are not Blu-ray. I actually have been keeping in my closet because I have nowhere else to put them. Down here. It's gonna be hard to see, but I've got a ton of DVDs back here. And then also behind these two. I mean, I think I'm gonna keep my absolute favorites, but I mean, you can pretty much stream almost every movie out there now, so it doesn't make sense to keep all this stuff. So the DVDs, I'm probably gonna try and sell. It's been so long since I've opened these, so like, but I know it's filled to the brim, so I figured I would take you guys along if you're into organizing, so stay tuned. Oh, see, they're already falling out. Holy crap. Not the most flattering angle, but it'll have to do.
It's come quickly, dear. Then he answers, oh, please wait for me. Take me up, up, up with you, dearie, away up to the sky. Sail around the moon for a quiet spoon, just to pass the you and I. Let us float, float, float through the clouds and just have a lot of fun. We'll go up, up, up as two and then come down.
Cleared out. Still got all of these. Oh my gosh, this is going to take forever.
Lunar planet making love and hugging every time it's cannon, with nobody in the aeroplane except the past you and I. We could float a little, flying boat a little, while we wrote a little, sent it note a little, subsequent to passing through the clouds and having lots of fun. We'll go up into the sweetest sky of blue, and on ascending we will figure out the two, but on returning to old terra firma.
And I'm back for the last bit of this video, which is something that I have been putting off, and that is doing my, these drawers that I have you on. I walked right into that one, didn't I? That seems very inappropriate. Anyway, please ignore my mess. My bedroom is a tip. I know I need to clean, and that is upcoming, but I want to get through this process first. Let's tackle my drawers because there is quite a few of them I gotta go through. So I'm not gonna go through all of these drawers individually. Particularly the top two rows are filled with intimate wear and bras and things like that. So you guys don't need to see that on this channel, especially for any of those creeps that might be tuning in. You're not gonna find it here. This drawer is mainly PJs. This drawer, casual dress wear. This section is mainly athletic wear, and down here as well. Way down here is, I believe, swimwear. And then these two drawers, which you can't really see, sorry, these are mainly my fandom shirts, because I have a gazillion of them. So yeah, let's crack on with trying to get through this as quickly as possible. That went pretty darn well. I've got some clothes that I'm gonna hang up actually in my closet, because then I think it'll help me to wear them more. Oh, these actually have to go in the drawers. Forgot to put those away, but I'll put those away in a second. And then I've got a huge pile down here to go through. Some of these are in good enough condition to go on my Poshmark. Some of them even still have tags on them and I haven't worn them. It's so embarrassing. And I'm actually getting rid of a couple Harry Potter wearables. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I didn't think between those two drawers that I would get rid of much of anything. And I think I'm getting rid of a solid, at least five shirts, so. And in fact, I have one drawer here that is completely empty now. So, not that I need an excuse to fill it up, but you know, feels good to do that amount of decluttering, so yay. And that is everything complete. Well, there's always more decluttering and organization to do, am I right? Anyway, I will leave my Poshmark link again down below if you're interested in shopping any of my closet. I would really appreciate it. I'm adding items daily, including some Harry Potter items. If you enjoyed that kind of content from my past videos, be sure to check out my Poshmark. I hope you guys enjoyed going along with me on this journey. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe below so that you can see more of me in the future. And I will hopefully be seeing you guys again soon. Bye.